Because you would think I would have learned right there that assumptions are flammable, me assuming certain things. So, 7th grade year, I played ball, and for me, going from the 6th grade to the 7th grade, it wasn't connected for us. So I'm thinking, bigger school, bigger girls. So that's how I was thinking. So I walk in, and you know, I'm just kind of coasting through, doing whatever. I felt entitled, like everything was mine. Progress report came out, and I'm the type of person where if you don't ask, I ain't showing. How many of y'all with me on that? I thought I wasn't by myself. If you don't ask, I ain't showing. I'm just being real. So at this particular time, when you got a cousin that go to school with you, no, hey, and he had good grades, he go waving his progress report. So, gotcha. So my mom, she asked me what my progress report was. I pulled it out. Of course, I was on the D ministry. You know, I ain't had nothing but D's and C's going on at the time because, as I said, I felt entitled. And so she was like, you know, if you don't bring these up, you're going to be able to play ball this year. So me, I'm like, all right, cool. My mom would say stuff, but she'll be too busy to worry about it for real anyways. Report card come out. I'm like, listen, we got tryouts in about 2 weeks, bro. Hold your report card. He got the AB honor roll. So guess what he want to do? Show his mama. I come in, those grades that was D's because I was coasting, it was 2 of them turned into F. So I began to, you know when you walk in and something is not going like you want it to, like I had my report card and it felt like every step that I took, like it was weights on my feet because I'm walking and everything slowed down, going to take her the report card. And I'm thinking like she gonna wait on me. You know how you try to use the next progress report? Like, listen, if I can make it up for the next progress report, we're gonna be good. That was when I really understood that my mama meant what she was talking about. And so every single time I saw, because I knew cats on that squad weren't better than me. Every single time I saw them wear their jerseys on game day, I saw them do all of that burn because I assumed that I can just coast. I can be lazy. I assumed that stuff was just going to be handed to me.